Hello, welcome to Biogrades TV. If you're new here, please subscribe and turn on the notification so you don't miss our next video. Major natural resources in Lesotho. Lesotho, officially known as the Kingdom of Lesotho, is a small enclave nation. This means that it is completely surrounded by another country, in this case, South Africa. So when you look at the map of South Africa, you will see Lesotho right in there, as if it is a region that is part of South Africa, whereas it is a completely independent nation. There are only 3 of such countries in the world. The other 2 are the Vatican City and San Marino. Lesotho, though seems to be surrounded by South Africa, has its own endowments in terms of natural resources. The waters within this mountainous country and its mineral resources provide a lifeline for the citizens and keeps the country going. Water. Water is one of the major natural resources in Lesotho. The country is home to many rivers which are its main sources of water. The Orange River, which is the largest in the region, has many of its portions in the country. These tributaries are what make up the major rivers of Lesotho. Examples of these rivers are the Caledon River, Makeleng River, and Senkuyane River. The rivers are crucial sources of fresh water for the country and also play huge roles in energy generation in form of hydroelectric power. It might interest you to know that Lesotho's water is also exported to South Africa. Lesotho is the primary source of water for the province of Gauteng in South Africa. The water is exported through the Lesotho Highlands Water Project. This project is the largest of its kind on the African continent. The Caledon River is one of the important rivers in Lesotho. This river flows for about 300 miles in length before discharging its water into the Orange River. The nation's capital, Maseru, gets its water supply primarily from the Caledon River. To ensure that the capital doesn't run out of water in the dry season when the river flow drops, the government constructed 2 dams which have massive reservoirs of water. The Caledon River is also a source of irrigated water for the surrounding areas. The Caledon Valley, through which the water flows, is one of the most agriculturally productive areas in the country. The Makeleng River is another important river in Lesotho. Starting from the Maluti Mountains, it flows for a total length of 120 miles before entering the Orange River. It is an important source of water for residents who live around its course. This makes the regions around the river densely populated. Some of the major towns are found along the river. The river is also home to the remarkable Kiloan Falls. The beauty of Kiloan Falls is a magnet for tourists who come to see this spectacular sight often. However, unlike the Caledon River, there are no dams or reservoirs in the Makeleng River. The central part of Lesotho is home to the Senkuyane River. This river also flows from the Maluti Mountains like the Makeleng River. It covers a length of about 75 miles before it reaches the Orange River. In spite of the fact that this river is not as long as the Caledon and Makeleng rivers, it is one of the most important natural resources in the country. The significance of this river lies in the fact that the dam in the river, the Mohale Dam, constitutes the Lesotho Highlands Water Project earlier mentioned. This project is the largest water project in Africa. Tourists also come to the river to see the Semonkong waterfall, which is found along the course of the Senkuyane River. Diamonds. Lesotho has some deposits of diamonds. Though the diamond industry of the country is not as large as that of its neighbor Botswana, Lesotho's diamonds are one of the largest in the world. In 2018, the country's mines produced a 910-carat diamond, one of the largest diamonds in the world. Other large specimens of diamonds have also been sourced from the country. The Leteng Mine. Located at an elevation of 10,200 feet in the Maluti Mountains, is the highest in the world. It is also the most important mine in the country. Diamonds are one of the major exports of Lesotho. In 2011, the diamond mining industry contributed about 4% to Lesotho's gross domestic product. Although agriculture is practiced in Lesotho, it is not the mainstay of its economy like it is for many other African countries. This is because the nation is highly mountainous and only a small region is suitable for agriculture. Hence, most of Lesotho's food is imported to meet the domestic demand. It might interest you to know that Lesotho has one of the highest literacy levels in Africa, with a literacy level of 84.93% for females and 67.75% for males. This impressive data is because 12% of the nation's GDP earned from its natural resources and other means of income is spent on education. This is something every other African country should emulate. Which have we missed out of these resources? Let's know in the comment section. Will it be ridiculous to subscribe to our channel? If no, please like this video, share and subscribe to our channel.